Welcome back to AK App Logics. In the previous class, we have discussed about the introduction to Python programming. In the today's class, we are going to discuss about the Python statements. Before that, let me tell you one thing about the Python version. How to see the Python version that we are going to use. For that, what we need to do is, so let's see Python version. To check the Python version of the editor, you can find it by importing the sys module. Okay, we need to import the sys module. Okay, for that I'm going to write the code, so you can, which is the user to check the Python version of the editor. So import, I'm going to import this is, okay, and then Python sys. Okay, this is the code that we need to write to check the Python version. Okay, I'm going to run the code. You can see here I got the 3.13.9. okay, I'm using this particular version. Okay, Python 3.13.9. okay, so I think it's clear, won't be worked, I think so. Yeah, let me write it. Okay, yeah, cleared. So next, let me comment these things. Next, Python statements. Let us discuss what are the Python statements. A computer program is a list of instructions to be executed by a computer. Okay, this whole thing we are going to see in the all the programming languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Right? What are the instructions? The statements are nothing but the both are same, which are going to execute by the computer. Right? So in a programming languages, these programming instructions are called statements. Okay, these type of particular instructions are called as statements. Okay, the following statements print the text Python is fun to the screen. So this particular code down, okay, this is going to print the Python is fun. Okay, so let's see whether it's going to print it or not. So I'm going to run the code. You can see over here it's printed the Python is fun. Okay, yeah. Next, in Python, a statement usually ends with a line ends. Okay, here in this statement, whenever this particular line is ended, okay, then the statement will be ended. Okay, when you are going to write in the next line, then it will be treated as a another statement. Okay, it will differ like that. Statements will be differ like that in Python. Okay, yeah, don't need to use a semicolon like in many other programming languages, for example Java or C. Yeah, this point I have discussed, right? Here we are not going to use any semicolon in Python. Okay, in like we are going to use in the C and Java. Okay, here the line ending will be itself treated as a semicolon. Okay, we don't use any semicolon. The line ending will be treated as a separation of two comments or the statements. Okay, yeah. Next, many statements. This is a single statement, right? Python is fun. Print Python if fun is a single statement. How the many statements or the more than one statements are being executed in Python? Let's see. Most Python programs contains many statements, right? Generally, not only Python programming, any programming language will contain more than one statement. Okay, yeah. These statements are executed by one in the same order they have written. Okay, how we are going to return the order? Okay, in that order only the statements will be executed, and the output will be displayed in the console. Okay, so example, let's see. Print hello world, print have a good day, print learning Python is fun. So here in this program you can see that the order, first print hello will gets printed on the console, and then print have a good day will be printed on the console, and then next learning Python is fun will be printed on the console. Okay, in the same order we have written, in the same order only it going to print on the console. Let me save this code and execute it for you. So you can see over here, hello world, first hello world is get printed, and then in the next line have a good day, and in the next line learning Python is fun. And you can able to observe here, I didn't use any uh, uh, escape sequences like we are going to use in the C language, like slash n to go to the next line. Okay, I haven't used any thing. So by default the print statement in the Python itself going to jump towards the next line after the execution of statement. Okay, remember this point. Okay, this point is very much important. So let me comment. Next, let me explain this example. From the above example we have three statements: print hello world, print have a good day, and print learning Python is fun. Okay, the first statement is executed first, right? I have shown you, right? The first statement will be executed first and will be printed on the console first, and then the second statement is executed, that is print have a good day, and then the third statement is executed, print learning Python is fun. Okay, semicolon. Okay, semicolon optionally rarely used. Okay, in Python we are going to use semicolon, that is optionally and rarely used. Okay, you can see how we are going to use semicolon. Let us see. So whenever you are going to write two or more statements, more than one statement in the same line, okay, then you need to use the semicolon to separate them. Okay, whenever you are going to write these two or more than two statements in the same line, then you need to use the semicolon in between them to separate them. So whenever we are going to not use the semicolon, then what we are going to do is we are going to write different statements on the different lines in the Python editor. So that line ending will be treated as a semicolon itself in that case. But when you are going to decide only you need to write the whole statements in the same line, then you need to use the semicolon to separate those statements. So in this code we are having three statements in which Python print hello, print how are you, print bye bye. Okay, so in between print hello and print how are you I have used semicolon, and also in between print how are you and print bye bye I have used the semicolon. After the print bye bye I didn't use it the semicolon because it's the line ending, right? Sorry for the interruption. Where am I? Yeah, so you can see over here I am used the semicolon between the print hello and print how are you, and print how are you and between um, print bye bye. After the print bye bye I haven't used any semicolon. Why? Because it's the end of the line, so it by default indicates the end of the comment, right? So let me execute this particular code by saving the code. Let me save this code and execute this, run using the terminal. Yeah, you can see over here we got the same result, that is hello how are you bye bye. Okay, so we have to notice one thing. Even though we are going to write with the help of semicolon in between the comments, okay, the print statement is by default going to the next line, okay, without any using the um, slash and character. Okay, so in this case also it is going to add one it is going to jump to the next line. Okay, so that's the thing. So next, however, if you put two statements on same line without separator, okay, without any semicolon, if you are going to put two statements, Python will give an error. Okay, let us see that one also. So here I haven't used any semicolon in between the two statements. Okay, that is print Python is fun and print really. So I'm going to save this particular code and run this code. Let us see what is the error it's showing. Okay, it will going to show the invalid syntax. Okay, it's the error. Okay, syntax error. Okay, why? Because we haven't used the what, we haven't used the semicolon in between the statements. Okay, even though the semicolon is an optional, okay, whether we if we want, okay, we can able to use, otherwise we don't use. So next, best practice is to put each statement on its own line so your code is easy to understand. Okay, best recommended way to write the Python code is to write a single statement in single line only. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, don't write two or more statements in a same line. Okay, it's the best practice. So I think that's the thing. yeah, that's it for this video. So I think I hope you got understood this video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.